All right, that was one package of 3 cheese mini tortellini that I already cooked up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some diced cucumber, and we're gonna put that right on top of our tortellini. Beautiful. On top of our cucumber, I have some red onion that I diced up. We are making something super yummy today. Just wait until you see our secret ingredient. We're piling everything up on top of that tortellini, but don't worry, we will give it a good mix. Now I have some cherry tomatoes here, and don't worry, I did wash these. And we're gonna pop them right in there. I love tomatoes. Oop, we had a runner. Okay, almost done here. Let's give that a slight mix. Oh yeah, I know my tortellini is a little warm, but don't worry, we are gonna pop this in the fridge to let everything cool. Delicious. Oh yeah, that looks so good, you guys. Now for our protein, I have some grilled chicken strips. You can obviously cook your own chicken, but I wanted this to be a super easy meal that you can just throw together, you know, right before a party or right before lunch. Just super easy that everyone will like. Now that was a 6-ounce container. Okay, get that nice blended in. Oh yeah, and you can chop up that chicken a little bit more if you like, but personally I want it to be like a salad, so I wanted those big strips of chicken in there. Oh my gosh, this looks so colorful and beautiful. I am way too excited. Now, if chicken wasn't enough for you, I do have some bacon bits. Oh yeah, this is the real bacon bits, okay? And we're gonna sprinkle that right in there. And now this is all optional. You can use whatever meats you like, whatever veggies you like. You don't even need to use tortellini. That's the beauty of a pasta salad, is you can add whatever you like. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so good. Oh, I really like bacon, you guys. I got excited. Okay, go ahead and give that another mix before we add some more goodies in here, but we're almost done. This is like seriously the quickest recipe I've ever shared with you guys. It's just dump and mix. That's my favorite kind of recipe. Yummy. Now, you could use mozzarella, but I wanted to be a little bit different this time. So I got these Colby Jack cheese cubes. Oh yeah, and this is what's gonna make this different and special, but it's not the secret ingredient. You guys haven't seen the secret ingredient yet. We're using that whole 8-ounce bag of Colby Jack cubes. You could use shredded cheese, you could use the mozzarella pearls, whatever you like, just throw it in there. But I really wanted the cubes because I love cheese. Cheese and crackers is like my favorite thing to eat when I don't feel like cooking. But you know, I'm cooking today. I mean, kind of cooking. I don't know if you can consider this cooking. I just boiled some pasta, but you know what? It's gonna taste like I was spending hours in the kitchen because it's so flavorful and delicious. Now, before we get to that final secret ingredient, we're just gonna season this up a little bit with some pepper. And I like a lot of pepper, so I'm gonna add a lot to this pasta salad. This is looking beautiful. I'm so excited, you guys. Now, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt because I like my things salty. I always tell you guys you can opt out of the salt if you're worried about the sodium, but pink Himalayan salt is supposed to be healthier for you, so I'm trying that out today. Now, one more mix before we add that dressing, that secret ingredient dressing. You guys are gonna be really excited about this one. Something I just saw recently, and I had to make a delicious pasta salad with this. And I don't know about you guys, but these ingredients are going to blow your mind. They're so yummy, so fresh, so delicious. I am just way too excited to give this a try. Okay, the moment we've all been waiting for. I found the Chick-fil-A dressing. Yep, all right, you guys, I'm so excited to try this. This is the same dressing that they sell at the Chick-fil-A. I'm using the creamy salsa, but they have other flavors like avocado lime and all that other stuff, regular ranch. So we're gonna go ahead and use this whole bottle right into our pasta salad. This bottle is the perfect amount for a full pasta salad. And this stuff was actually pretty cheap compared to most dressings. So I definitely recommend, you know, grabbing it when you're at your store. I found it at Smith's, and if you're in the East Coast, it would be Kroger's. Okay, go ahead and give that a mix. Oh my goodness, I told you guys the secret ingredient was gonna be worth the wait. Look how creamy that makes the pasta salad. It really completes the entire dish. Wow, this is looking beautiful, you guys. And I love just mixing everything in a standard 13 by 9 because it's just so much easier to get everything covered. You know, sometimes things get stuck in the bottom of your bowl and they don't get covered in the dressing. And you know what? I didn't want that today. I wanted it to be easy, okay? So use your 13 by 9. You'll be pleasantly surprised how easy it is to get everything covered in that delicious dressing. No one wants that little bit that's left in the bowl that didn't get dressing, didn't get seasoning. I mean, that's the worst part about a pasta salad, but not with this one. All right, you guys, that is ready for the fridge. We're just gonna let it cool down for like 30 minutes and then we're gonna eat a big bowl. Oh my, all right. This was in the fridge for about an hour to 30 minutes and now I'm ready to try some. Whew, okay. I love Chick-fil-A's dressing, so this is gonna be right up my alley. Oh my goodness, that one bottle was the perfect amount. Remember that tortellini, the cucumbers, the bacon, the chicken. What's not to like? Okay, get a tortellini. I think I want a cheese, or that Colby Jack cheese cube. Best pasta salad I've ever made.